Good evening, friends. So this is the last class of addition and subtraction method. In the before classes we explained about direct method, small method as well as big method. Now this is last method, combination. Okay. And after this only you have to practice more and more problems, and you have to understand which is the combination direct, big, small. When you combine this number and you will do lot problems. After this you can see you after 1 year or 2 years you will be a genius in mathematics, because your calculation will be just like equal to calculator. Okay. Now in combination what we do, in plus we up the 10, we up 5 and we up a friend. In subtraction opposite, 10 we down 10, we down 5 and we down friend. What is the combination? Combination is the combine of big friend as well as small friend. In a small friend we use 5 bit up down, and in a big friend we use a 10 bit up down and friend up down. So here we combine this and we are using. So now you can see, and 6, 7, 8, 9. Only this 4 digit will make combination method. Just like in small we use only 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. In combination we use only 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you see 6th friend is 1, 7th friend is 2, 8th friend is 3, 9th friend is 4. Understood? Once again I am explaining. 6th friend 1, 7th friend 2, 8th friend 3, 9th friend 4. So now you see, first of all we will do plus methods, addition, some problem, then after subtractions. In plus we note we up the 10 bit, we up a 5 bit and we up the friend bit. So now already I explained you 7th friend is 2, 6th friend 1, 8th friend 3 and 9th friend 4. Now we will see some problems. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7. So on units rod we will make 5, but now we can't make 7. Big friend, in big friend 7 friend is 3, but 3 we can't do down. So now we will take the combination method. So in combination already I told 7th friend is 2. So now here 10 up, 5 up, 2 up. So 10 up, 10 on 10th rod up, and on units rod 5 up, and if 7th friend is 2 here in combination, so we up to 2. So now you can see on 10th rod 1 and on units rod 2. So 1, 2 it make 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. So understood? Now one more problem will explain. 6. Now in 6 plus 6 we won't have 6 friend, big friend we can't take. So now we are taking combination. Again 10 up, 5 up, and 6th friend is 1. So we will up 1. Now again you can see 1 on tens and units 2. So it is 12. Okay. One more problem you can see. 7 plus 7. So you are making 7 on units rod. In combination we know 10 up, 5 up, and 7th friend is 2. Already I wrote here 7th friend is 2. 7th friend 2. So I up 2. Now you can see on units 10th rod 1 and on units rod 4 bit. So 1, 4 it is 14. 1, 4 it is 14. One more problem you can see. 8. Now 6 we can't add. So combination, again in combination we know 10 up, 5 up, and 6th friend is 1. So 10 up, 5 up, and 1 friend up. So now you can see 1, 4 on units. So it is again 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. One more problem we will explain. 5 plus 9. So 5 on units rod. Now 9th friend is 1. We can't down, so big friend we can't take. We will take combination. In combination we know 10 up, 5 up, and 9th friend is 4. 9th friend is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 4. 1, 4. On units rod also 4, and on 10th rod is 1. So this is 14. So now we will learn subtraction method. Already done some problem additions. Now subtraction. In subtraction it is just like opposite to the addition. Here we will do 10 down, 5 down as well as friend down. So see some problem. 12 minus 7. So on units rod 1 and on 10th rod 2. Units rod 1, 10th rod 1, units rod 2. So 12. Now we have to subtract 7. 7. If you take big method, in big method we know 7th friend is 3. You won't have 3 bits. So now we will take combination. In combination we know 7th friend is 2. So now you see 10 down, 5 down, and friend down. 10 down, 5 down and friend down. So now you can see on rod, on this stick, only on units rod one bit from up it is touch. So it is 5. It is equal to 5. So 12 minus 7 is 5. One more, I will explain one more problem. 13 minus 6. Now 6. 6 friend is 4 in big. We can't take. So now again here 10 down, 5 down and 6 friend is 1. So we down 1. 10 down, 5 down, friend down. Now you can see on stick 1 from up and 2 from down. It is the symbol of 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. One more problem. 14. 1, 4. 14. 1, 4, 14. 14 minus 8. 8. We won't have 8 friend. Again we will take 10 down, 5 down and 2 down. 10 down, 5 down, 3 down. 8's friend is 3. So 10 down, 5 down, 3 down. Now you can see here it is 6. 1 from up, 1 from down. It is equal to the 6. So this is we cleared combination method in subtraction. Already we explained about additions also. So by this our addition subtraction class is completed, sir. We explained you about direct method. We explained you about addition. Small friend. We explained you about big friend. We explained you about combination method. By this our class is completed here. So you practice more and more problems. So it will improve your brain capacity. Your concentration will be improved. Your stamina will be improved, and doing the problems, as well as you will be confident that you are good in maths. So please you subscribe more, send these videos to more peoples which you know, your friends, your relatives. It will help to your children to improve their maths. Goodbye.